Dolphins are playful and smart sea animals. They have smooth gray skin and a curved mouth that looks like a smile. Dolphins live in groups called pods and love to jump out of the water. They use sounds called clicks to talk to each other.
Hello.
Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It has a long blue-gray body and can be as long as 3 school buses. Blue whales eat tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. Even though they are huge, they are gentle giants. Great white sharks are powerful hunters with sharp teeth. They have gray backs and white bellies. They can swim very fast and are excellent predators. Sharks never stop swimming because they need water to move over their gills to breathe.
Okay, breathe!
Clownfish. Clownfish are small orange fish with white stripes. They live in sea anemones, which look like colorful flowers under the sea. The anemones protect clownfish with their stinging tentacles. In return, clownfish keep the anemones clean. Sea turtles have hard shells and flippers for swimming. They live in the ocean but lay their eggs on sandy beaches. Some sea turtles travel thousands of miles in their lifetime. Sadly, many are endangered and need protection.
Oh no!
Octopuses have 8 arms covered with suction cups. They can change color to hide from predators. Octopuses are very intelligent and can open jars to get food. When in danger, they squirt black ink to escape. Starfish have 5 arms shaped like a star. They come in many colors such as red, orange, and purple. Starfish can regrow a whole arm if they lose one. They live on the ocean floor and eat small shellfish. Jellyfish have soft, bell-shaped bodies with long, stinging tentacles. They float gently with the ocean currents. Some jellyfish glow in the dark, making them look magical. They have no brain, no bones, and no heart. Seahorses have long snouts and curled tails. They are tiny, colorful fish that look like horses. They like to hold onto sea plants with their tails. Uniquely, the male seahorse carries the babies in a pouch. Crabs have hard shells and 2 strong claws. They walk sideways on the beach or under the water. Some crabs live in shells, like hermit crabs. They are scavengers, cleaning up the ocean floor. Lobsters are large crustaceans with long bodies and 2 big claws. They live on the rocky ocean floor. Lobsters hide in caves during the day and hunt at night. Their hard shells protect them from predators. Sea urchin. Sea urchins are round animals covered in sharp spines. They live on rocks and coral reefs. Sea urchins eat algae and help keep the ocean clean. Their spines protect them from hungry predators. Manta rays have wide, flat bodies shaped like wings. They glide gracefully through the ocean. They eat tiny plankton by swimming with their mouths open. Manta rays are gentle and often swim near divers. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but they are excellent swimmers. They live in cold places like Antarctica. Penguins have black and white feathers that look like tuxedos. They waddle on land but zoom quickly underwater. Walruses are large sea mammals with long tusks and whiskers. They live in the Arctic and rest on ice. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves onto ice sheets. They eat clams and other shellfish from the seafloor. Seals are playful sea mammals with smooth fur. They use their flippers to swim and dive. Seals like to rest on rocks or sandy beaches. They can hold their breath for many minutes underwater. Sea lion. Sea lions look like seals but have little ears. They are very loud and bark like dogs. Sea lions can walk on land using their flippers. They are fast swimmers and love to play in groups. Swordfish. Swordfish have long, pointed noses like swords. They are very fast swimmers in the open sea. Swordfish use their sharp bills to slash at schools of fish. They are some of the strongest hunters in the ocean. Angelfish. Angelfish are bright, colorful fish. They live in coral reefs and swim gracefully. Their flat bodies and long fins make them easy to spot. Angelfish add beauty to the underwater world. Moray eels have long, snake-like bodies. They hide in holes in the reef and wait for fish to swim by. Moray eels open and close their mouths to breathe. They may look scary, but they are shy animals. Manatees are gentle sea mammals, also called sea cows. They are large, slow, and love to eat seagrass. Manatees live in warm, shallow waters. They are very peaceful and friendly to humans. Pufferfish are small but amazing. When they feel scared, they puff up into a ball. Their bodies are covered with tiny spines. Some pufferfish are poisonous, which keeps them safe from predators. Shrimps are small crustaceans with long antennae. They live on the seafloor and eat tiny plants and animals. Shrimps are important food for many sea creatures. Some shrimp can clean other fish by eating parasites. Sea otter. Sea otters are furry animals that float on their backs. They use rocks to crack open shellfish. Sea otters have very thick fur to keep them warm. They are playful and often hold hands while they sleep. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are white whales that live in the Arctic. They have round heads and friendly faces. Belugas are very social and talk with many sounds. People call them the canaries of the sea. Orca, killer whale. Orcas are black and white whales. They are powerful hunters that work together in groups. Orcas can hunt seals, fish, and even whales. They are smart and love to leap out of the water. Stingrays are flat fish with long tails. They hide under the sand on the ocean floor. Stingrays eat crabs, fish, and shellfish. Their tails have stingers for protection. Barracudas are long fish with sharp teeth. They swim very fast to catch other fish. Their silver bodies shine in the sunlight. Barracudas are fierce hunters of the sea. Sea cucumbers. Sea cucumbers are soft animals that look like vegetables. They live on the seafloor and move slowly. Sea cucumbers clean the ocean by eating sand and waste. They are important for keeping the sea healthy. Sea snake. Sea snakes are reptiles that live in warm seas. They have long bodies and can swim smoothly. Many sea snakes are poisonous, but they are usually shy. They breathe air and must come to the surface often. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have heads shaped like hammers. This shape helps them see in many directions. They live in warm seas around the world. Hammerhead sharks often swim in groups called schools. Narwhals are whales with a long spiral tusk. People call them the unicorns of the sea. They live in the cold Arctic waters. Narwhals use their tusks to break ice and find food. Corals look like colorful plants, but they are tiny animals. They form coral reefs, which are homes for many sea creatures. Corals come in many shapes and colors. They need warm, clear water to grow. Parrotfish. Parrotfish have bright colors and beak-like mouths. They eat algae from coral reefs. Parrotfish help keep corals clean and healthy. At night, they cover themselves in a bubble of slime to hide from predators. Sea anemone. Sea anemones look like flowers under the sea. Their tentacles have stings to catch food. Clownfish live safely inside anemones. They come in many colors like pink, green, and red. Squids have long bodies and 10 arms. They are fast swimmers and can shoot ink when scared. Some squids can glow in the dark. They are cousins of the octopus. Blue tangs are bright blue fish with yellow tails. They live in coral reefs and eat algae. They are famous from the movie Finding Nemo. Blue tangs swim quickly in groups. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are giant whales with long fins. They sing songs that can be heard underwater for miles. Humpbacks jump out of the water in amazing leaps. They travel long distances across the ocean. Electric eel. Electric eels can produce strong electric shocks. They live in rivers and muddy waters. They use electricity to catch prey and protect themselves. They are long and snake-like. Sea sponge. Sea dragons. Sea dragons look like floating seaweed. They are related to seahorses. Their leafy bodies help them hide from predators. They are very rare and beautiful. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the world. They have wide mouths but eat only tiny plankton. Whale sharks are gentle giants and safe for divers to swim with. They have spotted skin like a starry sky.